In this lesson, we're going to learn how to create a new Unity project. Alright, so once you have downloaded and installed Unity, you'll want to go ahead and launch that from your desktop, and it will bring you to the Unity launcher. Now there are a couple of things that we can do right here inside of the launcher. You can open an existing project. As you can see, you will probably see Standard Assets Example Project, and then any other projects that you may have created in the past. Now you can also open up any other projects that maybe you have downloaded, like our project files. You may want to go ahead and put those in a specific location and then use Open Other and then browse to that project files folder to use that. But what we want to do is we want to create a new project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on New Project, and it's going to give you some options. The first thing that I like to do is to go ahead and change the location in which my project is going to live. So in my case, it's going to be in the Introduction to Unity 5 Project Files folder. If you need to browse to your own folder, you can simply click on the Browse button here to the right, and then you'll want to change the name of your project. In my case, I'm going to call this Unity Files, and this is going to create a new folder inside of the Project Files folder called Unity Files, and all of your assets will live inside of this folder. Now below this, you'll see that we have 3D and 2D. You can choose between the two. It really doesn't matter which one you choose inside of Unity. It doesn't limit you in any way from one or the other. It's just that if you begin working with 2D games, the layout is going to be just a little bit different if you choose 2D. Now we're going to see the default layout with 3D, as that's what we're going to be creating. Now you can also add any asset packages that you may have downloaded from the Unity store, or any of the packages that come with Unity Standard. So let's go ahead and click on Asset Packages, and you can see that we have several different packages to choose from. So if you like, you can bring in, let's say, the 2D assets. You want to bring in cameras or characters. You just simply check those, and then you'll hit Done whenever you're finished. Now I don't need any of these. I'm going to show you how to bring these in at a later time if we need those. So you don't have to bring these in at this time. Okay. So let's go ahead and hit Deselect All, and then we're going to hit Done, and then we're just going to simply create our project. Now whenever we hit this, it's going to go away for just a moment, and then it'll bring up Unity, as you can see coming up now. Alright, so here you can see the default Unity interface. We're going to go through this in the next lesson. We're going to talk about all of the different parts of the interface, break them down so you understand what each section does, so that way you have a better understanding as we go forward throughout this course.